Hey guys, so I'm going to New York City today again. I decided to bring you guys along. I'm going with my friend Nadia. She'll be here in some minutes. So we're gonna go to the train station and take the train to New York. As you guys can see, I am already dressed already. So I'm just wearing a jersey, some black shorts, my bag of course. I needed my makeup. I wanted to do lashes today, but so this is an outfit. Like, I'm still not sure how I feel about this outfit because I don't know. So I'm just waiting for my friend to get here and then we're gonna go and I'll try and vlog as much as I can. I'm still shy with the vlogging, but what we originally planned to do is like a picnic. I'm not sure if we're gonna still do that. I don't know. I'm not really feeling like a picnic again, but if she still wants to do it, then by all means we will. So I got this new tripod from Amazon. It's the one that like spins. I'm looking forward to having a very peaceful, calm, fun. Do y'all think I should wear my shirt like this or like this? I don't like it like that. I prefer it like that. It's currently 12:59, so we're not going to be in the city till about 2 o'clock or 3. But let's go. Okay guys, so we're at the train station. I don't know if you guys can see me.
It's the same name from TikTok.
It's this one right here. Leah Jeans. Do you want to say hi to my You guys, the food was really good. What do you rate it?
Really good.